Today is winter solstice, and I'm wondering, where are my downy woodpeckers? I've seen a pileated woodpecker in this tree across the street, right where that blank spot is. And in this tree, right in my yard, I have seen the red-breasted sapsuckers, all kinds of them, but no Downys. I have the hummingbirds all the time, which always come to my feeder. And I have another feeder over here that they come to. Oh my goodness, there's one right now. And yeah, they're here all the time. Oh, there he goes. Back here are hummingbirds, and I think I even see one in my dogwood tree right above the fish hook, just a little to the left. We get all kinds of the jays, stellar jays, going on my corn. As you can see, the corn that's there for the squirrels, the jays are getting, and it's almost bare. I have juncos, lots of those. In fact, I think you can see one right down by my porch, my deck, there by the daphne. And he's having a good time getting whatever he's finding. And but I'm not getting any of the downy woodpeckers that I see every year. I've had a few flickers back here, but no Downys. And all kinds of chickadees, all kinds of the juncos, and in fact, oh, there's a junco in my bird feeder. But that's about it. I did mean bird bath. Anyway, that's it for me for right now.